In this question, you have to choose the option that represents the reason why calcium is important in skeletal muscle contraction. Option A, it binds to troponin to remove the masking of active sites on actin for myosin. Now, during skeletal muscle contraction, calcium ions bind to the troponin complex on actin filaments, and this binding causes a conformational change in troponin, which moves tropomyosin away from the active sites on myosin. So once the active site is exposed, head of the myosin attaches and initiate contraction by sliding the actin over myosin. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B activates the myosin ATPase by binding to it. It is incorrect because calcium does not directly activate myosin ATPase. Myosin ATPase activity is actually intrinsic to the myosin head, and ATP binding is required for its activation. Option C prevents the formation of bonds between myosin cross bridges and the actin filament. Now, it is also incorrect because calcium actually facilitates the formation of the cross bridges between myosin and actin by exposing binding sites on actin. So, without calcium, the active sites on actin remain masked by tropomyosin, preventing the binding of myosin. Option D detaches the myosin head from actin filament. This is also incorrect because detachment of the myosin head from actin requires the binding of ATP to myosin and not calcium.